Hi there! Today we're launching a public beta of a product to help you scale coding agents. Take a look. So around 75% of the world's software is now AI generated, while only 55% is considered secure. And as an industry, we're spending $10 billion a year producing that same software. To scale properly these coding agents, we need to tackle three main problems: predictable cross-model standardized gates, memory that compounds over time, and cost awareness and control. And that's what we're solving with Verity, which is a suite of tools built for working with coding agents. It contains a standardized gate system that forces auto-healing through adversarial AI analysis and deterministic checks, a Markdown knowledge base built from the best decisions your agents make that is kept locally and will compound good things over time, and a cost telemetry function that will measure token usage, cost estimates, independent of a harness or model, so you know per task or session how much you're spending. Verity, probably the last tool you're going to need to scale out coding agents. Available today for free while in beta. Get it, try it, use it.